On screen, the host's grave expression sets a somber tone as a stark warning graphic flashes ominously. Urgent security warning. Protect your crypto. The host urgently warns, I need to warn you about the risks of sharing your seed phrases. The host continues, it's critical that you create a new wallet immediately. On the screen, a tutorial begins, promising enhanced security with the words, Step 1. Secure your Binance account. The tutorial meticulously guides the user through enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, a shield against digital threats. On the screen recording, the Binance wallet unfolds, revealing the quest for the USDT deposit address. The selection of the correct network emerges as a critical juncture, underscoring the necessity of network parity with SafePal. A screen recording illuminates the SafePal app, guiding users through the seamless transfer of USDT to a copied Binance deposit address. With digital precision, the user interface demystifies the transaction, effortlessly pasting the address, selecting the network, specifying the amount, and confirming the transfer. A blockchain transaction springs to life in a vibrant animation, confirming the transfer of digital assets. The digital realm of Binance confirms the successful arrival of USDT, marking the culmination of a seamless transaction. The narrator triumphantly announces, Verify USDT arrival in Binance. The host joyfully declares, Congratulations, you have successfully transferred your funds.